Hello students, now I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 6.2. Now question number 1 says, using the number line, write the integer which is, the first part we have 3 more than 5. Okay, now let us draw the number line. Suppose here is 0. Now right side of 0 is all positive. Okay, and left side of 0 is all negative. Now 3 more than 5. Now where is 5 on the number line? Let us mark the numbers on the number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Now here is given 3 more. More means we will move to the right and less means we will move to the left. Now here, as we know that when you go towards right, number is getting bigger. So if more word is given, so we will have to move to the right as number is getting bigger when you move towards right. Okay, and when you move towards left, number is getting smaller. Okay, now 3 more means 3 more than 5 means where is 5 on the number? Here is 5. Okay, let us extend the number line. 6, suppose 7 and 8. Now 3 more than 5 means we will have to move to the right of 5. Okay, and how many steps we will have to move? 3 steps more. So from 5, if you move 3 steps, then it is 1, 2, 3. So answer will be 8. So 3 more than 5 means 8. Okay. So we will write the answer 3 more than 5 is 8. Okay. Now moving to the next part. Now in the B part we have 5 more than minus 5. Now more means we will have to move to the right. Right of which number? Right of minus 5, because 5 more than minus 5 is given. Okay. So let us draw the number line. Suppose 0 is here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Right side of 0 is all positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now 5 more than minus 5. So where is minus 5 on the number line? It's left of 0. Okay, here it is. Now 5 more means we will have to move to the right of minus 5. So right means this side we will move, because number gets increased when you move to the right, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 0. So 5 more than minus 5 means when you move to the right of minus 5, 5 step moves, when you move 5 steps to the right of minus 5, you will get 0. Okay, so we will write the answer 5 more than minus 5 is 0. Okay, now let's coming to the C part. Now in the C part we have 6 less than 2. Okay, now less means we will have to move to the left of 2. Let's draw the number line. Suppose here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and left of 0 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Now we have to find the integer which is 6 less than 2. Now where is 2 on the number line? Here is 2. Okay, now 6 less. We have to find the number smaller than 2. Okay, 6 step less than minus 2. Okay, so that means we will have to find the integer and we will have to move to the left to find the integer. Okay, since less word is given, so 6 steps less than 2. So 1. So from 2 we will start moving to the left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 less than 2 is minus 4. Okay, so we will write 6 less than 2 is minus 4. Okay, so this was the C part. Now let's coming to the D part. Now in the last part we have 3 less than minus 2. Okay, let us draw the number line. Now see, again less is given. So less means we will move to the left. Okay, so let us mark the numbers on the number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. Now we will have to find the integer which is less than minus 2. Okay, now where is minus 2 on the number line? Here is. Now we have to find the number which is less than minus 2, and how many steps you have to move? You have to move 3 steps. Okay, so when you will start moving from minus 2 and when you will move to the 3 steps to the left of minus 2, then the integer will be 1, 2, 3. So when you move 3 steps to the left of minus 2, then you will be reach at minus 5. So 3 less than minus 2 is minus 5. So we'll write 3 less than minus 2 is minus 5. So what we have learnt, when you are adding or subtracting using number line, when more word is given, that means you are adding. When less word is given, that means you are subtracting. Now when you are using number line to find the integer, then if more word is given, that means we will have to move to the right of that number. Like in this case, in the first part we have 3 more than 5. So here we have to start from 5, okay, not from 3. We will have to start from 5 and we have to move 3 steps ahead. 3 more means 3 steps ahead of 5. Okay, and when less word is given, like in this case less word is given, so we will have to start from 2, because we need to find the integer 6 less than 2. So we will have to start from 2 and we will have to move to the left of 2 to 6 steps. Okay, so we'll be reaching at minus 4. Okay, so this way we will have to use number line to find the integer. So more means moving to the right and less means moving to the left. But from which number you should start moving, that you have to see, because then what is given here, 6 less than 2, 3 less than minus 2, that means we will have to start from this number. From this number 3 less, from this number 6 less, from this number 5 more. So we will have to start from here, not from here. Okay, so this was all about question number 1. Thank you, students.